We got 82% of our trades correct in the last 4 months. How did we do it? Let's try to dig deep and see if anyone can repeat that result. Spoiler alert, people write to us claiming they got 4 out of 4 earnings trades right, or made a 130% on put options using our data. So yes, you are likely to repeat that. Subscribe to the channel because next week we are releasing a new tool to help you beat the market with a very detailed guide of what and how you need to do to make money with it. Our data is based on a sentiment analysis approach. This basically means that we try to understand what other people in the market are doing. That's quite a popular thing to do. That is why Bloomberg has so many viewers, and even major banks with enormous data science departments release sentiment indicators like greed and fear. That isn't a new approach at all. Have you heard about smart and dumb money, or volatility index, VIX? There are a lot more out there, but they all have a big flaw. You can't really time the market with them. VIX is so popular that there is literally less than a second between the indicator change and stocks moves. The fear and greed indicator can stay in the extremes for weeks. Honestly, I like precision. I want to know the what and the when and the specific price. They say it's a game of probabilities. Well, you have 0 probability to be the first to read the news. It means you are too late. You also have 0 probability to be the first to react to the earnings report. The AI trading algorithms have already made their trades, while you are reading the magic words like beat expectations, let alone the full guidance. So there is only one thing you can do, right? Read everything you can find and hope for the best. Wrong. Let others do the job. There is one source of information that actually reveals what others are doing. Every single important metric. Imagine you could see how much money somebody is investing and their exact trade plan. What is their time frame? What is their target? This is exactly what the options trades feed shows. So we use it for our benefit. Did you know that 90% of the options trading volume is actually attributed to institutional trades? These guys have to answer a number of questions when they place an options trade. What is the trade duration? So they pick an expiration date. What is the trade target? So they pick a strike. What is the trade direction? So they pick a put or call option. When they do, analysts and data engineers can source 17 metrics and indicators from each contract, and the accumulations tell us a story, and it's compelling. Here are just the public predictions we made in the last few months. 8 out of 9 correct earnings predictions. We got the July run correct. An August to September correction was spot on, including every single target and support level. Feel free to have a look at the full list of our predictions. Link is in the video description. Now, the simple way for you to do the same. The bets are distributed among the expiration dates, or put it simply, across the calendar. And among the strikes, not simply the asset prices. This shows how our crowd expects the market to behave. That is the answer to when that we have been looking for. The other great thing is, the options trades do not move the prices of stocks, so you can actually be ahead of the market. To summarize, you have a source of data beating every known sentiment indicator, and it's free if you're happy to look at the index ETFs like SPY, QQQ, or VXX.
Digital Sectors is the perfect answer to the when question. We help retail investors understand key trends in the market, and our data sets put a calendar date on them. We source the most complicated data from Standard & Poor's, FactSet, and Options Pricing Reporting Authority to turn them into easy-to-read charts with up to 72% win rate based on 10-year backtest.